everybody, and welcome. Today's video we are going to be unboxing my paid for Boxycharm premium box for December 2020. I did peek into it because I was super excited about one of the items in here, and then it wasn't. So yeah, I have a lot of thoughts on this box, a little upset, but I did some digging and I don't know whose fault was whose. So anyways guys, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get into all of that. But before we do jump in, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace a hot mess because it's a, are you ready? Are you ready? Judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, and we keep it cute, or we put it on mute. Because over here guys, we're all about positivity, drama-freeness, and good times. So hopefully this is a channel for you. You'll stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so like I said, this is the premium box. I do pay for this box, and you do get to customize one item in here. It is $35 a month, and you will receive at least over $175 worth of goodies. Now, as we know, choices were Viseart palette, okay? Yes, you see that I am only showing you one. The other option was a very beautiful and vibrant, colorful Viseart palette. These have a retail value of 80 bucks. We're going to receive them in our premium box. So like I said, I went ahead, I picked the neutral palette up and pop up because I chose what I thought was the colorful palette in my premium box. So something happened here, guys, and I'm jumping ahead. So let me just talk about it because I'm a little butthurt about it. So in here it says it's the neutral matte palette, and I thought I chose the colorful palette. So when I opened it up, I am an idiot. I am the biggest idiot. Oh my god. I got it. I got it. So obviously I didn't open this part of the box up. I only opened this box up, and I read the back, which says neutral matte, but if you look even closer, Rhonda, it freaking says the colorful palette. Here I was being a little bad word. I picked it. I wanted it. I got it. Okay, so that took a turn. I was gonna have a negative video and be like, I chose this, but I got that. Nope, I got what I wanted. So that was my own faux pas. So here we go. This is a Viseart neutral matte something, can't pronounce, 14. That's the colorful name of it. 12 pan eyeshadow palette. It does have a retail value of $80, and I am so excited because I was so disappointed when I ripped through this box and thought I got another neutral palette. I love this palette, you guys, don't get me wrong, it is absolutely beautiful, but I wanted both, you know? So I love the Viseart shadows. They are buttery, they are creamy, they're professional line or professional grade eyeshadows, and they are super easy to work with. They build up well, they blend out beautifully. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram because I will be creating a look with this. I just thought that this palette was absolutely beautiful to add to my collection, and like I said, I picked up the neutral, which on the back of this box, which I have sitting here in this mess, it's called Neutral Matte Palette. You know what? We all know reading is not my strong point, so thank God this is a judgment-free zone. I'm just not going to talk anymore. By the way, guys, if you do want to save 20% off, you can at ViseartParis.com. There's a little code inside of your box. So, anywho, you guys, if you guys are curious about the weight of my box, this is my paid for box. And no, I don't feel like going through my email to check and see what FedEx told me the weight of my box is. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh it for you guys on my mail scale now that I feel like I'm complete awfulness. It's 2 pounds, 5.7 ounces if you guys are curious. Some of you guys said it's no longer going to matter, but in case you are so curious, there's that. As far as the variation on the back, you will see a little heart, and it does say variation 2. And then it does have everything that's in your box, retail value, little information about it. So as you guys saw, my first item is the Viseart palette, and Hooked on Phonics obviously didn't work for me, so yeah. I'm so embarrassed. Anyways, the next item in here is by True and Luscious. It's the Lucky Glow palette. It does have a retail value of $46. Now, I actually did receive one in PR, so I'm going to show you guys this one. I have been using it, and I really do love this. It's very easy to work with. It builds up very beautifully. I will say, and I said it in my review as well, I do feel like these are pretty light in color, and that if I had like my sunless tan on or an actual tan, I don't know if these shades would work for me personally. As far as the palettes go, it does look like they're the same colors and everything. Yeah, they're the exact same palettes, because I didn't know if they came in different shades or what have you, but that's the next item in here. It does have a retail value of $46, and it's a beautiful palette. I'll give you that. The next item in here, and I'm assuming it's a twofer, is by Glamglow. I did receive these in my PR premium box, and I really do love them. They were actually available in add-on, and they sold out super quick, and I was a little bummed. These do have a retail value of $18. I'm assuming $18 for both. It does say Party Over Dullness, the Eye Boost Metallic. Masquerade Masks addresses the entire eye area to revive, revitalize, and energize with hyaluronic acid. And then, of course, the other one is just as amazing as well. I don't want to bore you guys with reading, because I had a comment where someone said I read too much, and I'm like, thanks. I'm sure you didn't mean it meanly, but of course I'm a little sissy and I take it personal. So anywho, there's that. The next item is by Crown Brushes. This is the All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. It does have a retail value of $34.95. And again, I did receive this one as well. And you know, they're Crown brushes, so as we know, they're really nice, and Hailey is building her makeup kit, so she did get the other one, and then of course this will probably end up in a giveaway. And then the last item, oh no, we got 2 more. I'm in my own head right now, guys, okay? I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. A little information about the Crown brush set. The All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. It's a 5-piece set that provides the necessary tools for application of your eye makeup looks. The luxurious silky brushes deliver optimum and even coverage for the perfect finish every time. Okay, the next item here, and I haven't opened my other one just yet, but I am super excited to try it out. This is the Advanced Skincare by Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. Full size, and as we know, Elemis is really expensive. This does have a retail value of $65, and it's a super cooling gel mask. It glides onto the skin, creating a where'd the word go? Sorry, I'm dyslexic, so it jumped around. Biomimetic, you know what, forget it. It's a bio something veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plump with moisture upon waking. Judgment-free zone, mother truckers. Next item is by Elizabeth Mott. This is the It's So Big mascara. This does have a retail value of $20. It's a volumizing mascara of your dreams. You know what? I didn't open my last one. I'm just going to open it because I am curious to see what the wand looks like. So this is what the mascara looks like. It's cute. She's cute. It freaking smells like mascara, Rhonda. Okay, so the wand is nice. It does look like it will grip. I don't know. I'll definitely try it out. We shall see. We shall see. Like I said, retail value of $20. I'll leave this sitting aside so I make sure to use it so it doesn't go bad. Okay, so let me go ahead, total everything up for you guys, and give you guys my final thoughts. I'm so embarrassed. Okay guys, so again, this box was $35 plus tax, and everything that you guys saw in this box did come to a grand total of $263.95. My thoughts, you guys, I told you guys before when it came to the Viseart palette, these palettes are 100% worth it alone. 35 bucks, and if this was all I got for $35, I would have been very pleased with that. And I have to say, overall, I think this is a really good box. I'm so excited by the Viseart palette. The standout palette, or standout products for me, would definitely be the face palette, the eyeshadow palette, and I would say the skincare as well. I wouldn't say this is like my favoriteest premium unboxing I've ever done, but I'm definitely not mad about it, because like I said, Viseart, although as I always say it, may not be the most aesthetically pleasing palette to look at, especially when we're looking at something like a Natasha Denona or a Pat McGrath. Just know the quality is there and then some. You're going to love it. It's going to be very easy to work with, and just test it out, try it out. I promise you guys, it's great. It is absolutely wonderful. So I think as far as that goes, I'm really excited about the price of this box and the quality of the items that we did receive. So anyways, I literally was ready to go into a rant, and here I am making a fool of myself, but over here we just embrace it. So all is good in the world. I got the palette that I wanted, and I'm super excited about it. So let me know, what were your standout products for your Boxycharm premium box for December? What are you excited about? Like I said, or maybe I didn't, I know I said it in some video, this is like my 5th video of the day, but this OFRA palette right here, baby, we're gonna be seeing this in our premium boxes for January. It's on my face, video coming soon. I'm pretty, well, you'll know in that video. Anyways, friends, check out Hailey's channel, check out my second channel, and of course follow your girl on Instagram. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye guys.